Hello guys, my name is Njambi and I work online full-time. I specialize in CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. Now let's go to my YouTube channel and you will see how I have made $30 daily with Max Bounty and $40 daily with with something called CJ affiliate. I want to show you how I make $70 every day with the internet. Now let's go to this program called Max Bounty, and in Max Bounty you can see all these offers. Now I have selected these offers that I have bookmarked for you so that I can demonstrate them I can use them to demonstrate how this whole thing works. Now, what is CPA marketing, you might ask? CPA has nothing to do with accounting. So it means cost per action. And examples of these actions include form submit, email submit, and trial offers. Now let's go to Max Bounty and start with this offer here, Live the Life, and we click on the offer. Now when we click on the offer, we will be taken to this page over here where we will get a chance to look at our offer, which pays us $1.60. Now you are welcome to read the entire description and ask me questions on the description, and I have left my WhatsApp, my Instagram, and my Facebook. You can reach out. So and I will help you understand what all this means. Now when you scroll down, you will find a link, and when you click on that link, it will take you to what your followers will see. So when you build a tracking link, you say probably search, you say rolling, you will get this link which you will be able to share on social media, on Google, on anywhere. And when you share it, people will go to this page, and when they fill in their name, their email address, they say act now, and they complete that action of clicking on act now, you will be paid $1.60. Now if you help 100 people, you make $160. If 10 people sign up with your link, you make $16. I hope we are together. Now let's go back to the next offers. So here we are with this offer, which is $1.80. We click on the offer and we see what the offer has to offer. So make sure you read the description and ask questions where lost. Build a tracking link if you would like to, and you can choose anything you want, and then your link will be there. So if you take this link, or if you copy this link and share it on social media, Facebook, Twitter, I will show you how to do this. It's so simple, and people will see this particular page here. You will be paid $1.80. So if 100 people register on this offer, on this website, so if people put their name, their email address only, and get my free sample, you make $1.80. Now let's go back to our last example. Our last example is Skillshare free trial. So when you come here and you read the entire description, you will be able to understand how it works. Make sure you request for approval. Now when people go on trial, have you ever gone on trial on Netflix? So if you are an affiliate of Netflix and you share your link to people and they go on trial, you get paid. The same case works with something called this Skillshare. So you get paid $8. So let's scroll down and click on the link that your followers will see, or people who are interested will see. So when you get approved, when you request for your link, and then you come here, your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, you make sure you're not a robot. You sign up. When you sign up, someone will be taken to a place where they're required to put their credit card details, and you will make $8. Can you imagine if you help 8 people go on trial with Skillshare, that is $64. Make sure you understand what Skillshare is, and then you can be able to promote this offer. And again, I'm saying, if you have questions, hit the link on the description and hit me a DM. Now let's go to the next product, which is CJ Affiliate. Now when it comes to affiliate marketing, you have to make a sale. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, you have to make a sale for you to earn, whether you like it or not. Let's come to this program called CJ. There are thousands and thousands of offers. Trust you me, you will be approved a few. And guess what? Make use of the few. The fewer the better, because you concentrate on few. Now let's go and get response. You will understand what get response is as you continue if you decide to do affiliate marketing. So get response, and then we click on search. So on get response, you request for approval, and when you request for approval, you will be getting your links here just like me. Now this is how it works with get response. So this is get response. This is when people click on your link, they will be landing to a page like this. We will open it, and then when they land to a page like that, what happens if they buy a product, you get paid $135. So let's go here. You see, so when they come here to pricing and they buy anything, so if they go on trial, you don't get paid. But if they go for this, $15, if they go for this, $49, if they go for this, $99 product, you get paid $135. So the reason as why you're getting paid like that is because this is a monthly package. So this is a monthly package, and they will recover their money in no time. So can you imagine if people went for this package for 1 month, and then they use it for their entire life? These people will have made in 10 months, let's do it 10 months, they'll have made $490 from them. Can you just subtract your $135? They make the biggest profit. That's how they look at things. The other one we need to look into, it's something called Fiverr. So I'm going to give you a few examples, and you can check out the rest on your own. So let's check on Fiverr. So here is Fiverr. Here is my link. So with Fiverr, you scroll down here and you will see. So on Fiverr, you can get someone to create for you a logo. On Fiverr, you can get someone to do for you graphic designs. You can get people on Fiverr to do for you all this kind of stuff. Now, if you know someone who wants a logo made for them, you click here. You see, you promote this offer here. So I'm going to go to my links. Let's go to my link. Let's go to my link. So here are my links, and someone goes ahead and says, so I share this link to a group of people who want to get their logo done. So we're going to look for logo link. So here we have logo design, create unique designs. So we click and we want to get our affiliate link. So click link. So when you get this affiliate link, we copy it and we share it online. I'll show you how to share it. See, when you share this link and someone just purchase logo for $5, you get paid $40. So you scroll down here, logo, and go. You can see this person here, logo services at $5, and he has over 1K reviews. Okay, so you share this link, You show these people you show business people they can get logo at $5. At $5, you get paid $40. Now, even if you just get one client every day, one person every day for this logo, you will have made approximately $1,200 a month. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Shoot me a DM, check me out on my WhatsApp, and let me teach you how to do these things online and make some good cash. Cheers, guys.